articles for people that they want. So everything is an order.
How many metal stuff do you make?
How many? That depends on how many orders we've got. We can make anything from 1 or 10,000.
Where does the metal come from?
We buy our metal from what we call stockists, and they hold all the metal sheets. The metal that they get is all produced in different countries around Europe, and they hold it in a central depot which we buy from them.
How much metal is recycled?
We recycle every bit of offcut that we have goes into a bin. That bin goes back to what is called the scrap people, and then it's recycled. So everything we don't use is recycled.
What kind of machines do you use?
We use guillotines, we use drilling machines, we use lathes, milling machines and folding machines and welding machines.
What do you like making out of metal?
What do I like? I like interesting things that tax my brain. Easy things are very easy to make, but if it becomes difficult, you have to think about it, and that's what I like doing. Things you have to think about.
How long has the factory existed?
We have been here on this premises since 1971. The company started in 1958, and if you work that out, that's 51 years.
Have you done anything wrong?
Yes, it does happen. Fortunately, not often, but yes, we do things wrong.
Have you made anything for Wickford?
Yes, we have. We have made numerous things that you see in the high street, some railings that you will see, and various things that go into different companies around the place.
How long does it take to make something?
The length of time to make something depends on the article itself. Some jobs can take an hour or two, some jobs can take a couple of weeks or even a couple of months. It all depends on how big the job is.
What happens to the things you make?
They go to our customers. Sometimes we don't know what they do because some of the things are secret or it's been patented and we don't get to find out exactly what it is. But most stuff go to our customers for their use.
What kind of clothing do you wear?
Most people will wear overalls to keep themselves clean mainly, because metal can be dirty. It can leave some scuff marks all over you. So it's basically overalls, or if metal they're using is sharp, then they will use some gloves.
How long have you been working for?
How long have I been working here? I've been working here since 1971. The atmosphere, it can be very good. You're talking about the atmosphere on the shop floor out there. It's very good. We're all very friendly.
Can we see something being made?
You can, yes. Yeah.
Who are your most loyal friends?
Here we have people working here. They've been here since 1972, is the eldest one, and he's coming up for retirement pretty soon. But they are all very good workers, and yes, some of them are very loyal.
What's the most expensive car part you've made?
Expensive car part? We have made some parts for Rolls-Royce, and they were in the region of £100 each. I would say that's the most expensive part. But if you go back to our early days, when my father was running the company, we used to make parts for Lotus, and we used to make parts for their racing cars as well. And we did have Graham Hill here. I don't know if you know Graham Hill. That's Damon Hill's father. He was actually here with a Formula One car, and we made his seat, which was also his petrol tank, in the car. And we had to mould it round his shape so he was sitting perfectly still and he didn't move about. I would say that was the most interesting car part we've made, if not the most expensive.
The masts that you make for sailboats,
Yeah.
do you know where those boats go after they leave the country?
They are made for a company that's based in Burnham, that's Pettigrews. It is fundamentally a Dutch firm. They go worldwide. A lot of them, or I think only about 15% actually go to England or the UK. The rest go abroad. So they are dotted all around the world. And we know that Pettigrews as a company are world champions. And I think we're very proud to actually be making the mast for a world champion team.
Have you actually won any trophies for making?
We have. We are quite well known around the country, especially in the southeast here. We have won awards, but they are sort of industry awards, and unfortunately are not broadcast like the BAFTA awards that you might see for actors and stuff like that. But yes, we have won awards, yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Have you kept anything that you really like?
Yes. Would you like to see something we've made some time ago? Shall I go and get it? That is something that we made in the 1960s. You can see it's quite old and it looks quite old. What it is, does anybody know what it might be?
A gas tank,
No.
petrol tank.
You're very close.
Oil tank.
Yeah, you're very close on petrol tank. It's not a tank as such. It's used by the trading standards up and down the country, and they go around testing the petrol pumps that we all get our petrol from, or your father's mothers get their petrol from, to make sure it's the right amount they're giving out. So if you was to get 20 litres, the trading standards will come round in one of these units and ask for 20 litres of fuel, but I don't want it in the car, I want it in here. And 20 litres, well this actual one is 2 gallons, comes to the brim. If it doesn't come to the brim and it's lower down, the pump's not giving out enough petrol. A newer version is in the corner down there. That is a modern version of that. This is 20 litres. This will hold 20 litres up to the 0 mark on the neck. This is all stainless steel. This is all brass and copper. We don't make these ones anymore. We make them all like this. But their job is exactly the same. They go around testing the petrol pumps to make sure it's giving out the right quantity.
Do we see the man making the top cylinder?
Unfortunately, we've got none going through at the moment, but we are making them all the time. But I'm sorry, I can't show you that at the moment because we're not actually making them. But we do make these. We've made them ever since the company started in 1958. And before that, my father used to make them for the company he used to work for. So we do know the ins and outs of them. We have supplied the UK and some parts of the Commonwealth countries and parts of the world as well. We are very well known for making these, and if anybody wants them, they come here. There are other companies, but they can't produce the quality that we produce. Another question?
Do you ever notice a shortage in metal in the world?
There has been shortages. When there's a shortage, the metal price goes up, like everything else, stops you buying it. But yes, but nothing serious, nothing really serious that actually stopped us from working.